friends, this is Deepali Mule. Today we are going to discuss about birds. Here you can see the many different types of birds are there. Have a look on different types of birds. Each and every bird having the different features. Each and every bird having the different types of beaks and different types of claws. It means that we are going to discuss about different types of beaks and different types of claws. Let us see. Here I will show you some examples of bird, that is kite, eagle, next one that is kingfisher, that woodpecker. That these are the different types of birds are there. Like vulture, they having the specific feature, they having the different types of claws, they having the different types of beaks. Let us see. First we are going to discuss about what are the uses of beak. So beak is one of the important feature of bird. So that bird having the different types of feathers, different types of wings. They are using that different types of feathers and wings for flying. Most of the birds, they are flying from one place to another place. So that let's see the uses of beak. The first here you can see that eagle and the kite, they having the different types of beak according to their habitat. That many different types of birds are there. They are eating the different types of creatures, they are eating the different types of grains. Some birds are there, they are eating the different types of things. According to their habitat, all the different types of birds having the different types of beak. Here you can see the one of the example, that is the eagle. So that eagle having the strong and the curved beak. So that eagle eating the different types of animals. Eagle crushing or eagle tearing the different types of flesh of animals. So in the uses of beak, that different types of birds are there. They are using their beak to clean the wings and to clean the feathers. Some birds are there. They are using the beaks to create the nest, to make nest for their young ones. Some birds are there. They are cleaning wings and feathers. Some birds are there. They are using their beak for eating purpose. Some birds are there. They are using their beaks to create a nest. Birds are there. They are using their beaks to feed their young ones. Here you can see the picture of hoopoe. So hoopoe, it is one of the bird. Here I have shown you that hoopoe is using their beak to feed young ones. That birds are using their beaks to drink water. Here you can see I have shown you some birds, that is crow, blue jay, bluebird, that all birds are coming to drink water. So like that many different types of uses of birds are there. Let us see the different types of beaks in detail.
Now dear students, we are going to learn about the different types of beaks from class 4 subject science. As there are many different types of uses we have seen. Now let us see the different types of beak. First one, that is broad and flat beak. That is called as a sifting beak. The many different types of birds like duck, they having the sifting beak. And these types of beaks are flat and broad and with a small holes like this on both sides. This kind of beak help birds to take the muddy water which has small insects and worms, and the mud and the water flows from that hole. That is the duck having the sifting beak. Second type of beak, that is strong and curved beak. Here you can see the picture of parrot. That parrot having the strong and the curved beak. Like this many different types of birds having the curved beak. As its name tells, this type of beak having the curve from the front side. So that curved beak, it helps the different types of birds to crack the nuts, to crack the fruits. And the example of such types of beaks, that is the parrot. Now the next one, that is short, hard and pointed beak. Here you can see the picture of sparrow. That sparrow having the short, hard and pointed beak, as we can call as a crushing beak. This depends on their habitat. All the different types of birds having the different types of beaks. The birds, they are using the such types of beaks to crush the different types of grains, to crush the different types of seeds and the nuts. Here you can see the pigeon. Pigeon also having the short, hard and pointed beak, as we can call as a crushing beak. Next one, that is a long chisel shaped beak. Here you can see the picture of that woodpecker. So that woodpecker having the long chisel shaped beak. That many different types of birds are there. They having the chisel shaped beak. They having long, straight and strong beak. That birds having the chisel shaped beak and they are picking the insect from the wood. And the example of such types of birds, that is the woodpecker. Now the next one, that is sharp, strong and hooked beak, that we can call as a tearing beak. Here you can see the picture of vulture and the eagle. They having sharp, strong and hooked beak. So as all these animals, they are eating the flesh of animals. So they are using such types of beak to tear the flesh of animals. Here also you can see one of the example here I have shown the beak, that is the tearing beak. And the last one, thin, long and pointed beak. That some birds have the thin, long and the pointed beak. So that for example that hummingbirds having the thin, long and pointed beak. They are sucking that nectar from the flower without sitting on that flowers. So here you can see that I have shown you one picture of that thin, long and pointed beak. That hummingbird, it is one of the example of bird. So that bird sucking the nectar or the juice from the flower without sitting on that flower. So this bird does not sit on a flower when feeding. It hovers about the flowers like helicopters and dip its long beak into the flowers and they are sucking nectar from the flowers. For example, hummingbird. So in this way, we discuss about the types of beaks and uses of beaks. I hope you may have understood this topic very well. Again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.